Welcome back to the BA cooking show.
Okay. Alright. We have most of our cupcakes that were done, so we covered them. We're going to show you how to properly cover one. Almost properly. And you're going to get a good set amount. Not too much. Not too little. And you just want to smear and go back and forth because that's how you go and that's how you do it. That's how you do it. And if you have extra, just put it back in the thing. Just put it back. Just put it back.
Feisty.
Alright. So we're done doing that. And you always wanna can you look at me? You wanna
The camera's on me.
You wanna cap it up because don't wanna go on bad.
Cap it.
Pillsbury.
Why would you say the cap off? That makes no sense.
Shut up. I'm just kidding.
Go.
Oh, why'd you run
Fine.
into me?
You do it.
So yeah, now we're gonna be doing these. And see, these, they kind of came out lower, so we're not really gonna use them. This one I guess we'll use. You okay?
Wipe that off. No.
She got white stuff on her hands.
I got
Alright, so we're gonna do a 16 because the cupcakes are for a 16-year-old. And I said they were for a baby, but he is a baby.
It's a big baby.
He's a big baby. So we're gonna do a 16.
Look at that. Magnificent. No, that really is a good one out of 6.
16. 16.
Say just for you, Chris.
Just for you.
Just for you, Chris.
Alright. Now let's keep going. And Mary, would you care to do one?
Oh, sure. Wait, are we doing his name?
No, just 16.
Oh, but it's gonna come out like gooey.
Just do a 1 and a 6.
Ooh, not doing that.
Alright, she jizzed on it. We're gonna wipe that off.
It's not gonna work.
Maybe you just have to have a magic touch.
No.
Yeah, Mike, we all know it looks like cum. Way to be mature. Way to be mature.
It comes out normal.
For me?
You.
Because I have the magic touch.
I bet you
Just
do.
the Midas touch. Oh, fuck you, man. I mean, we're gonna have to edit that out.
I want to do the same.
She wants to try and do the blue. As I said, try.
We're doing a C. It's beautiful. Where'd she go? Now we're doing an H, right? He spells with an H.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Oh, maybe not.
Oh, that is beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna do an R.
Don't do that backwards. Oh, wait.
Why would I?
No. Because you're slow.
R.
R's.
No, it doesn't. Doesn't?
Oh, look, if we're spelling a word, give us an I.
Give me an I.
What are we doing the rest? Oh, we're drawing the thing. That's right. Let me do this.
We're gonna save this one for a special one. Here you go.
Yes. Okay. It's beautiful.
Alright, we're gonna switch it up a bit and have a little fun.
Ooh, fun.
For Chris.
I feel like the sweater guy.
I am. I'm in a sweater,
not
but
as
it's
funky,
a hoodie.
but-
Not as funky, no.
Not as
This is
funky.
true. Alright, I think we're gonna put the special one on this one. Hopefully it comes out right. We're gonna see. Alright.
See, it looks like a dog biscuit. It's a penis. With an arrow.
Ooh. Kind of pointy.
Just a tad.
But we can fix that. There we go. And for our special touch. Okay, I don't know why it's coming out watery. I don't know if that's usual. Chris, you might be the judge of that. So, hang on. Excuse me.
Oh.
Okay. One more dick? Yeah, why not? He's gay. Alright. This one, though, we're going to make it a little better. Just a little better. It's going to be great.